How to change your birthday on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your birthday on Instagram Lite. First then open Instagram Lite and now click on your profile here in the bottom corner, and now click the storylines, and here you will see settings, then click accounts, and now just select personal information. And here you will find this one here, your birthday. Just click on it, and if you want to change it, all you need to do is just change it and then click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.